Hi, my name is Peter, and in this short video I will guide you through the process of measuring the PCIe slot power consumption with BenchLab. We also shared this information in a blog post published on our website. While the BenchLab offers the tools required to perform a comprehensive analysis of a graphics card's total power consumption via the dedicated 3 PCIe and 2 12-volt high-power supply cables, it cannot directly measure the power supplied through the PCIe slot. While we need additional tools to measure the PCIe slot power consumption, we can still rely on BenchLab to capture that data. The ElmorLabs PMD PCIe slot power measurement adapter bypasses the motherboard's power delivery to the PCIe slot, as the device uses a 4-pin CPU EPS 12-volt input. We can supply this 12-volt input via the BenchLab, which allows us to capture the power consumption information. The following steps outline the process of employing the BenchLab and PCIe slot adapter. Step 1. Install the BenchLab. Follow the usual instructions for the BenchLab installation. Step 2. Install the adapter into your motherboard PCIe slot. Step 3. Connect the 4-pin CPU EPS connector on the slot power adapter to a dedicated EPS cable from the BenchLab. Step 4. Now install the graphics card in the PCIe slot adapter. And step 5. Open the BenchLab software and you'll see that it automatically reports the power consumption. We set up a demo system to illustrate this capturing process. We've connected the PCIe slot adapter to the EPS1 power input for this measurement. Now we can use the following software tools to capture the PCIe slot power consumption when the graphics card is under load. In the standard configuration, we find the following reported power measurements. The input power measurement by BenchLab is 319 watt, which includes the EPS and both PCIe power connectors, whereas the reported hardware info GPU power is 258 watt. If we exclude the PCIe slot power measurement, then the reported input power by BenchLab is 259 watt. If we increase the GPU power limit from the default 100% to 150% using the GPU Tweak 3 toolkit, we find the following reported power measurements. The input power measurement by BenchLab is 481 watt, whereas the reported hardware info GPU power is 386 watt. In certain scenarios, measuring the PCIe slot power can be a valuable additional data point in your overall system power management. BenchLab offers great flexibility in various methods to capture that data. In this example, we used the ElmorLabs PMD PCIe slot power measurement adapter to identify a significant power consumed by the RTX 2080 Ti graphics card via the PCIe slot. Both the BenchLab and the PCIe adapter are available for purchase at benchlab.io. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to contact us for assistance.